Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to present to you the release notes of Boyum Beas Manufacturing 2021.09. We're going to start out with the highlights and then outline the new features and improvements of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with all that the new release has to offer. These are the most important areas improved or added in this version. We have improvements in the work order structure refresh area, new additions in the WMS integration, customization improvement in the goods received PO window, and improvement in the web app external goods received purchase order. We have also fixed the automatic client installation and more. In the configuration wizard, you can set if inactive operations should be inserted to the work order or not. In the previous version, Beas did not fully consider this option. For example, the active-inactive state was not changed by the refresh process. Now this has been implemented. Please check our documentation for the detailed setting scenarios of the apply inactive work sequence parameter. In the past, an operation was not changed when a time receipt had already been created. Now changes are applied from the master data if the operation is not closed. WMS now supports quality status for Beas receipt processes per items. If the WMS field default quality status for reception for the item is empty, Beas reads the global parameter set in the Prodomax WMS organizational structure. As part of the Beas WMS integration, Prodomax WMS 2021.09 release has introduced the support of Beas version managed items in goods receipts for batches or serial numbers. The Beas WMS integration documentation has been updated and is now available in the following link. After selecting a purchase order, the document and line displayed were the internal SAP document codes in the web app external goods received purchase order. Now we display the document number and the visual order line, +1 since 0 is saved internally. The goods received purchase order now supports 15 user fields for customization purposes. With Beas script or Beas usability package, it's possible to insert new fields. The new fields must be linked to free, non-used fields which are available in this window. In the past, these were user field 1 to 5, but from Beas 2021.09, 15 user fields are available. During automatic installation, the system always launched the 32-bit version of the installation, also when the client installation was 64 bits. Now, Beas executes the installer according to the client installation of the user. So if the user is in 64 bits, it calls the 64-bit installer, or 32 bits if it is the case. With the 2021.08 Beas documentation version, you can access a comprehensive description of the Beas dashboards. Check the description of the different modules, tabs and all grids, showing production time information, capacity utilization, production, planning, analysis, quality control, maintenance, and many more. Learn how the Beas calendar objects are available in B1 Upwork. We have updated the Beas documentation with this information. A new calendar object in B1 Up and scheduling is available to view production planning. It is possible to filter for specific resources on the resource filter and see the resource scheduling in the same formats as the complete scheduling per day, week, or month. Additionally, the scheduling can be transformed to work plan when selecting the Agenda View option. Check our details in the documentation. The Maintenance Calendar is a tool that gives you complete visibility over the company's maintenance orders, highlighting each order according to its current status. It is similar to the Outlook calendar. It can detail the maintenance orders per hours a day, per week, or per month. For color coding and descriptions and all other details, please check our documentation. This concludes our video on the new features, existing feature and system improvements and fixes of Boyum Beas Manufacturing 2021.09. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community in the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.